We have got big giant cake slices with fruit. Let's open it. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Let's take out. Mmm, mmm, yummy, yummy. Let's get another one. Mmm, tasty, tasty. Let's eat another one. Mmm, tasty, tasty. If you want to buy it, go buy from the PCC or from anywhere in the store. You'll get for 120 rupees in Pakistan. Mmm, tasty, tasty. I also love their jellies. Let's eat it. Mm, um, mm, mm. Yummy. Oh, I eat the whole cake and only one remaining. What should I do right now? Don't worry, you can eat this. I'll get you a new one. Thank you, Grandpa. Bye bye. See you again.